Hi there. Today we're in the garage. We're taking a close look at the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex Deluxe electric screwdriver. This was provided to me as a sample for a possible review. I love it and I want to show it to you. So let's go check it out. Here we are with the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex Deluxe Edition. As you can see, it comes in a nice carrying and storage case. First of all, you're going to see the unit is here, and you're going to see the various 20 different bits, and then of course a USB-C cord here. Up here, this is going to be my favorite part. It's a how to use me type of guide. It's going to show you some different types of projects that you could possibly be using this screwdriver on, and it's going to tell you right next to it what the setting for the Newton meter torque will be. So down here we have all the way from 0.5 Newton meters torque setting all the way up to 7 Newton meters torque setting. Coming back down to the product here, you can see it's pretty substantial, got a nice weight to it. You've got some adjustment here where you can fold to get into the proper position if you have a difficult to reach place. You just simply press that in and then adjust it accordingly. You have some different settings there. We start out flat, push this button in, go to 24 degrees, press it in a little bit again, go to 48 degrees, and then finally all the way is a 72-degree angle. Also, we have over here the on and off switch and the display module. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You can see that currently it is set to 3 Newton meters torque, and the way you change that is you just simply twist this to get to the setting you like, all the way up to 7. Twist it back down, all the way down to 0.5. Okay, and the reason that you care about that torque setting is because you don't want to over tighten anything, and that will prevent you from over tightening. Let's move on. Okay, let's flip this back over, turn it back on again, and I want to show you that there's a high and a low setting. So high is here, low is here. The low setting is 100 RPMs, and then we're going to go up to the high setting, which is 250 RPMs. Okay, over here we have a directional arrow, and you can see there's an arrow here. And that is your screw in and screw out setting. So right now we've got it set for in. And then if you want to back a screw out, you're going to set it for out. I really like that. Also, you can see it's self-explanatory that we have a full battery charge, but it's nice to know. Okay, another feature I really like about this is you can see when you turn it on, you get a nice light. So you can shine some light on that project and see what you're aiming at, what you're trying to get to. Okay, here coming in closer on the bits, you can see that we have many to choose from. And here we have an indicator on the box that shows you what types are here and what the function is down here in the blue, so that you can easily locate the bit you're looking for. Thank you to the brand for the sample, and thank you for watching.